Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Spring is here and it's time to refresh, which is exactly what we're doing today in our main bedroom. If you've not yet seen my spring decor 2026 haul, family room, kitchen, dining room, and guest bathroom, you guys, I've been busy. Please do check those videos out as well. I had such a good time putting those rooms together, and the results are amazing, I must say, and I think you will enjoy them as well. Now back to our bedroom. Before I bring in anything new, I like to first clear the space and then refresh in preparation for the warmer months ahead. I remove all the accent pillows, throws, bed covers, and linens, and off to the laundry they go. Next, I remove the stems, the florals, the prints, and any other accessory that I won't be using in my spring decor. Now it's time to clean and get things smelling really fresh, light, and airy. And if you're interested, this is my DIY cleanser where I use 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water, a drop of dishwashing liquid for degreasing qualities, and essential oils to my liking. And today I am using lavender as well as lemongrass. Now, this is day one. Stay tuned for day two, and I will show you how I bring it all together. All right, guys, day two. After putting all the linens back on the bed and stepping back in this room, and it smells so light, fresh, and airy, I definitely decided that my decor was going to mimic exactly the same thing. And when you see the end results, you will definitely agree that what I did says hello spring beautifully without being overwhelming. So let's decorate.
Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know what's there. I'm gonna try, work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, feel the be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know what they. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Not giving up. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream.
Sometimes less is more. Remember, you can take the minimalist approach to make a big statement. This room is so fresh, airy, and cozy and will easily transition to the summer months, which is really important to me as well because of my busy schedule. I can already see the decor direction I'm going to take in a couple months for summer, using some of the things I already have in place. Leave in the comments and let me know how you would transition this room from spring to summer. Would love to hear from you. If you're enjoying how I create spaces that you just want to live in, please remember to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks everyone for joining me, and I can't wait to see you here real soon.
Know that once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world.